Hey guys, this is Greg, Underground Graphics. Today we're going to do a quick video on the Keyhole cover. We did this about a year ago. I seem to have misplaced that video, and something this simple, it's going to be really quick to do. So yeah, again, our Keyhole cover, the simplest thing, is one of our best sellers on the site. It is a computer cut piece of vinyl, satin black, that's going to fit right over that keyhole. Something that the guys did for me. One day I was out and Jeep was here. They put a black decal over it and I was like, wow, that actually looks pretty good. Once you see the silver on here, you can't unsee it. No matter what color your Jeep is, that in black is going to look 1,000 times better. So again, we've done the measurements. What we've done is just overcut this just a little bit so it'll wrap the edges. The only thing you're going to need is a heat gun. We offer this with a turnable key and a solid. What that is a little cut around the outside of that slot. In case you ever do have to turn the key, obviously if this is solid, you put your key in, you turn it, you just destroyed the sticker. Again, it's a cheap sticker, but regardless, it gives you that option. Anyway, get started. We're gonna alcohol this real quick. I just took my old one off to show you how to do this, but just make sure there's no dirt, grime, grease, whatever's in there. Again, I like to use that alcohol water mix. Look how shiny. All right, and again, this will have a piece of clear mask on top of this. What we're gonna do is just line up that slot with this slot. Make sure we're right on there. Once you've got that, we're just gonna tack that. And now don't do the edges just yet. We just want to get the surface of that. And then we're going to peel off this mask. And I've got this as a set of 4 in case you guys mess up or you're not happy with that alignment. You can go back and you can do it again. And again, those turnable ones, this may sink in a little bit. If you want the solid, you can go solid, which doesn't have that slot in there, but I don't want to overthink this. This is such a simple decal. The heat is what you're gonna want though. We've got our trusty heat gun. You could use a hair dryer. You really probably do this outside as well if it's warm out. Although if it's warm out, that decal is gonna tack immediately on a hot surface. So just getting that adhesive or that vinyl warm is going to soften that up, and you can literally just go around that with your finger or your thumb. Get that to bend around that corner. I don't believe these come with a squeegee. It's such a small decal. Again, you can use your thumb, you can use a business card, you can use a credit card. I've got our own little soft squeegees, but again, once you get that corner on, it's just going through and getting that. You can use your fingernail. We don't have really good light here to see if there's any creases in that or any wrinkles, but we've done this so many times. It's so easy to do. And I can see that is totally fine. That's it. Guys, something really simple makes a big difference. If you have any questions or comments, just leave it and or give us a call, email. Thanks a lot.